Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are a runner, you know the two most important things are your shoes and your socks. So I want to show you these socks. They are from Saucony and they're great. This is an 8-pair set of assorted darks. They have some fun colors and fun designs on them. And most importantly, they are very, very comfortable. So they have a lot of extra cushion in the heel and underneath the foot in specific places that are designed to help you when you're running to provide the cushion and support that you need. I also appreciate that they have this little tab on the back. It makes them easy to put on and it keeps them up and not sliding off of your heel. When I put them on, they do sit pretty low, and so I was worried that they would fall off when I was running, but they do not. They stayed in place and they were really comfortable throughout my entire run. So even if you're not a runner, these socks are really comfortable and I would just wear them for anything. So if you're looking for some running socks, then I would definitely check out these from Saucony. They're a great product. That's my point of view.